Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to fix TEMP app not working. So if you also want to fix TEMP app not working, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So the first thing that you need to do is update your application. Your application might not be working because you're using the outdated version of the application. So in order to update the application, all you have to do is launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store is opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now search for TEMP. Now here you'll be able to find the application for TEMP. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Right now you can see two options, uninstall and open. If your application is not updated, instead of open option, you'll be able to see the update option. All you have to do is tap on it. After that, your application will be updated and your problem should be fixed. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is try clearing the cache of this application. For that, what you have to do is open app library of your device. Now here, what you have to do is search for TEMP application. Once you find the application of TEMP mail, all you have to do is long press on it. Now you can see the option for app info over here. All you have to do is tap on it. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here you'll be able to find several options. What you have to do is find the option for storage and cache. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. Now here you'll be able to find two options, clear storage and clear cache. All you have to do is tap on the option clear cache. Right now my cache is already cleared. After the cache is cleared, your application should start working now. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem should be fixed. So that is how you fix TEMP app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.